and I'm going to help you understand what user experience design truly is. After watching this video, you should have an understanding of how to provide users with a great experience through user experience design. Hi, my name is Baron Erish and I help businesses provide their users with phenomenal digital experiences. Now, you've probably already started looking into what user experience design is. Depending on where you looked, the answer probably varied. This is simply due to the fact the term is used interchangeably and it is a broad concept. So what does it actually mean? I'll provide you with an example that I believe perfectly captures what it means to design a user's experience. What do you think of when you see a door with no handles? Is it A, push, or B, pull? I'm going to assume most of you would think to push. Contrastingly, when you see a door with a handle, you would think to pull. In this case, a door with bad user experience design in mind would have a handle on both sides, a handle on neither side, or a handle for push and no handle for pull, because I don't know how you're going to open it with no handle. Maybe the door was actually designed to be both push, both pull, or whatever, but you can't actually understand this because they have no way of showing you, unless they've used a sign. But this is ultimately like them showing you and acknowledging the fact they haven't designed a great user experience, as it is not efficient or as effective as it should be. So a door that explicitly shows a general, clear understanding of how doors operate, a handle for pull and no handle for push, would be meeting the expectation of the common individual, thus meeting user needs. Of course, there is probably minorities that think doors operate in a different way. If you wanted to design for each different minority and majority, this would relate to inclusive design. If you want to watch a video on that fully, just let me know in the comments below and I'll be sure to make one on that. Based on this example, I would say the discipline of user experience design is all about how the human mind comprehends an operation, for example, opening a door. So utilising user-centered design, you'll be able to accomplish this great user experience. So to put it simply, user experience design is about how and why we do what we do. How and why do we open a door in the way that we do, with a handle for pull and no handle for push. And then we utilise that operation and how the mind comprehends it to actually think about how we can make it more efficient or an effective process. I'd love to know how this video has helped you understand the discipline of user experience design. If there is any part of it you're still confused about, just leave a comment below and I'll try to reply to all of them. Thank you for listening and learning. This has been Baron Erish from Root of Innovation.